This week, several confirmed incidents converged. CISA added an enable ncentral flaw to its KEV after observed exploitation. SonicWall SMA 1000 flaws were weaponized and tied to ransomware. Malicious npm packages deliver a rat to Alibaba tool users. Leaked DarkSword is being reused to deliver Ghostblade. I will separate confirmed facts from research and show source-backed next steps. CISA added CVE 2026-18577 to its known exploited vulnerabilities catalog after active exploitation was reported. The issue is described as an incomplete patch for CVE 2026-18556 and allows authentication bypass and account takeover. Enable says the fix is in mcentral version 2026.3 HF1. Huntress observed malicious MSP support connections coming from VPN exit node IPs in their telemetry. Researchers link CVE 2026-15409 and CVE 2026-15410 in SonicWall SMA 1000 to active intrusions. Reports describe pre-disclosure exploitation and post-exploit tools such as Knuckleball, Suo5 proxy, and a Java web shell named Orangetail. Resecurity and trackers show INC ransomware listing many victims in late July and early August. A targeted npm campaign used decoy packages that impersonate private AdAli scoped modules and split loader logic across dependencies. Example, unscoped libmtop layer added a loader that fetches and runs remote JavaScript. Researchers describe the final payload as a cross-platform rat capable of credential theft, exfiltration, and persistence. Census found operators running the leaked DarkSword exploit kit across over 100 domains. DarkSword triggers now patched iOS vulnerabilities to deploy Ghostblade, which steals keychain, iCloud, and Wi-Fi credentials and exfiltrates files. The public leak has increased reuse of the kit by other actors. Why this cluster matters. Attackers exploit concentrated trust and privileged paths. RMM consoles and appliance control planes let attackers pivot into many endpoints. Supply chain poisoning and leaked exploit kits let attackers scale and reuse tested chains. The result is persistent access and faster lateral movement. Who is affected? MSPs and customers using Enable mCentral. Organizations exposing SonicWall SMA 1000 appliances. Developers and CI systems that install unscoped npm packages impersonating @ali packages. iOS users on targeted builds who visit exploit pages. Our assessment. High severity for this cluster. CISA added CVE 2026-18577, reported CVSS 8.2 to the KEV after observed exploitation. SonicWall SMA flaws were weaponized pre-disclosure and tied to ransomware campaigns. Leaked DarkSword increases reuse risk. Google Password Manager research describes post-compromise techniques, not confirmed remote 0 days. Key dates from reporting. June 22, 2026. SonicWall pre-disclosure exploitation reported. Mid-July 2026. SonicWall issued fixes. July 17 to August 1, 2026. INC ransomware victims observed listed. July 30th, 2026. Census found over 100 DarkSword hosts. Early August 2026. CISA listed CVE 2026-18577 in KEV. August 3, 2026. Unit 42's Google Password Manager report noted no matching CVE in the NVD. Patch status is mixed. Enable, fix in mCentral version 2026.3, HF1. SonicWall, fixes released mid-July 2026, apply immediately. DarkSword, underlying iOS flaws are reported as patched, but the leak increases reuse risk, use network and detection controls. Google Password Manager, no public CVE or vendor advisory documented at the time of reporting. Exploit status varies. CVE 2026-18577 in mCentral is listed in CISA's KEV after observed exploitation. SonicWall SMA 1000 flaws were weaponized pre-disclosure and linked to ransomware actors. Census found reuse of the leaked DarkSword kit across many domains to deploy Ghostblade. Unit 42's passkey techniques are post-compromise methods, not reported as remote exploitation in the wild. 2 patterns explain the impact. Concentrated trust, management planes centralize powerful access. Tooling scales, supply chain poisoning and leaked exploit kits let attackers multiply impact and broaden reuse. The NPM campaign split loader logic across dependencies and used a remote rule engine. DarkSword's public leak spread a tested iOS exploit chain. Source-backed actions. First, N-Central. Upgrade to N-Central version 2026.3 HF1 and audit take control logs for unexpected MSP support sessions. Second, SonicWall SMA. Apply vendor fixes and hunt for abnormal/WS proxy and credential or TOTP seed exfiltration. Third, development. Scan for flagged npm packages like libmtop. Assume compromise if found and rotate secrets from a clean machine. Fourth, iOS fleets. Apply Apple patches and block or monitor exploit domains at the network edge. Fifth, passkeys. Require user verification and consider attestation and stricter re-enrollment checks. Preserve logs and follow vendor IR guidance. Key takeaway. This is about concentrated trust and reusable tooling, not just single bugs. Patch quickly, then verify integrity and hunt for persistence. Harden re-enrollment and attestation checks, and treat leaked kits and supply chain artifacts as living threats. All source links are in the description. Read vendor advisories and the original research before acting.